How to congratulate a colleague.
Hey, I just heard the great news. Congratulations on winning the Employee of the Month award.
Thank you so much. I'm really surprised and happy. It was totally unexpected.
You deserve it. Your hard work and dedication have really paid off. Everyone can see how much effort you put into your projects.
That's very kind of you to say. I couldn't have done it without the support and encouragement of our team, including you.
It's a pleasure to work with someone as motivated and talented as you. Let's celebrate your achievement soon.
I'd like that. Thank you again for your congratulations and support.